Water filtration with Isopure Water. Water filters from Isopure Water are designed to clear your water of health-concerning impurities. Fresh, pure, safe water straight from the tap starts with products from Isopure Water. Your water filtration system is only as good as the filters that you are using. We use innovative design expertise to ensure that our filters do the optimum in keeping your water free from harmful substances. Changing your water filter regularly with reliable filter parts from Isopure Water ensures your family can continue to enjoy safe, clean, fresh water right from the tap. Sediments and debris can build up in your filter over time and impact its function. A dirty filter is simply not able to get rid of the impurities. A fresh, clean filter will ensure that all those impurities are cleaned out of your water. A monthly filter change ensures that your water supply is worry-free. Buy a few water filters at a time to ensure that you always have the high-quality filters you need on hand. From whole home filtration systems to easy-to-swap-out filters, Isopure Water has you covered. We are the source for your water filtration needs.